Example number 1.7. Consider the charges Q, Q and minus Q placed at the vertices of an equilateral triangle as shown in the figure. What is the force on each charge? Okay, here total 3 charges are given now. This is Q, at point B also Q, but at point C let us take minus Q. We have to find the force on each and every charge. Okay. Now, first we will find out what is the magnitude of force in each and every case. All 3 charges are equal in magnitude. So, force equal to K Q1 Q2 by L square. Both are equal KQ square by L square. So, magnitude of force is KQ square by L square. It will be same in each and every point. Now, we will go to point A. This is point A, right? Yes. This is positive charge. This is negative charge. So point A will, charge Q will attract towards minus Q and charge A will be repelling due to charge B. These two are positive. So one force will be in this direction, one force will be in this direction. We have to find the resultant of this. And we understood that each and every force is KQ square by L square. We'll go for law of parallelogram and we'll find the resultant force on A. That is square root of F1 square plus F2 square plus 2F1 F2 cos angle is 120. Cos 120 value is minus half. So it becomes minus F square. 2F square minus F square. It becomes F square root equal to square root of F square is F. So the resultant force on A equal to F. Now, we'll go to point B. What is the net force on point B? Once again, same here. This is positive charge. This is negative charge. So, this will be attracted towards point C and due to A, both are same kind. So, it will be repelled. One force will be in this direction and the force will be in this direction. But these forces are equal. So once again, here also the resultant force F equal to square root of F square plus 2F square cos 120. Answer is F. That is, the resultant force on A is also equal to F. Resultant force on B is also equal to F. But their directions are as shown in the diagram. Now we'll go to point C. What is the net force on C? But C is having minus Q charge. So it is attracted towards A as well as it is attracted towards B. Now we have to find the resultant. One force in this direction, second force is in this direction. So the resultant force is square root of F square plus F square plus 2F square into cos 60. Angle is cos 60. That is, you are getting root 3 into F. So the resultant force on C equal to root 3 into F.